What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while for the long form content. You guys might have seen some videos before this one that should go up that are backdated. Yeah, they just backdated, let's just say that. But anyway, guys, if you're new here, oh shit. Yeah, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna do a lot of different things with this channel. You guys might like some of it, you might not like a lot of it, I don't know. It's up to you, but consider subscribing so you'll see what's going on. But anyway, guys, I am on the way to the laundromat. As you can probably see in the back, I have two baskets. The dryer at home has kaput. I guess I could go into all of the details. Pretty much the motherboard fried on it. It still turns on, but it's not initiating the tumble cycle or for it to initiate heating the clothes. And it just doesn't move. It doesn't do anything. Which the people came out and they could not locate the part because the dryer is like almost, I think it's like 10 plus years old. It was a very nice set, washer and dryer set, which is crazy. You know, the washer typically goes out before the dryer, but the dryer went out this time. So yeah, like they couldn't locate the part to fix it, so it's got to be replaced. The new one is on the way. It's honestly been out for like 3 weeks, and I'm somebody, I like to wash my bedding every week. I like to wash certain things like blankets every week, just because like dirt touches it and whatnot, you know. And sleeping on clean bed sheets is a must. It is a must. Like, otherwise you're gonna be musty. Like, you have to be cleaning your bed sheets often. Like, you sleep, you sweat. At least I sweat. I sweat a lot in my sleep. Not to the point where I'm drenched, because obviously I got a ceiling fan going on or whatever, or the air turned down. But yeah, we're heading to the next town over to wash or dry the clothes, because the washer is still working at home. So we're gonna go dry the clothes. We do have a laundromat in town, but it's during the day, and I just don't feel like having those conversations, running into people that I might know. I still might run into somebody up here I know too. It's a very 90% chance that could happen here, but it's 100% closer around my mom's house. So, but like I said, I'm coming up here. I still have to wash towels that have accumulated over 3 weeks, or just about, or maybe a little bit less, 3.5 weeks. It's been pretty much almost a month without, you know, a dryer, and that's unfortunate. But I've been avoiding going to the laundromat thinking that they were going to find the part or initiate a replacement or something like that. Like, they weren't finding the part or whatever, so it took a long time. I think they dropped the ball a few times on that, because it's a long time. I know a dryer's not a necessity, but to me it is. And it's the first time I'm having to go to a laundromat since my mom, the set that the dryer that just went out, that set that was purchased, the last time I went to the laundromat was before that, because the washer started leaking, which is typically what happens. The washer leaks, and then, you know, the dryer still works for years and years and years. But that did not happen this time, which is kind of strange. But I don't know what the deal is with that. I honestly don't know where this laundromat is in this town. I know it's on this road, but I thought it was back there. Bro, if I drove here for nothing, I'm gonna be pissed. They gotta have a laundromat here, I would think. So yeah, like, I think that, I don't know, I think the set was maybe like 13 years old. 13, 14, maybe at 14. I think it might have been like at 15, 14, because I think I might have been in like, fuck, I really don't know. Oh yeah, here it is. It's attached to this car wash. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get back with you once we get in the laundromat. Interesting. It's 25 pence per something. So let's try this out. What up, guys? Welcome back. I did not talk much in the laundromat, and that is because this got this. I think you guys can see me better now. I didn't talk much in there, and that was because there was people in there naturally, which is why I would rather come at night. I'm probably gonna do another video because, like I said, I got more stuff to wash, like towels, which might take a little bit longer, and we got a lot of fucking towels. Like, obviously, to go 3 weeks without having to do laundry, and I change my towel every time I shower. Like, I know that might be wasteful to some of y'all, but I don't know. I grew up as a young boy using the same towel until it got like stinky, you know. Then my mom would always snap, like, change your towels, because we used to just, you know, didn't give a fuck. Just the hygiene wasn't there. And I don't know what it was. It's like after I moved away and started like realizing, like, okay, I grew up in a small town where motherfucking men didn't really care about they fucking anything. And then I moved away and I'm seeing like, okay, these manly ass men are taking care of themselves, they skin, all they shits together, getting their nails done. I don't do that. I might go get my feet done, but I don't get my like hands done or nothing like that. But I mean, it's an option. It's just, it don't fit it within my budget, to be honest with you. That shit's expensive, so I ain't gonna do that shit. I'll clip my shit in the bathroom. But regardless, oh yeah, when I moved away is when I started like washing my shit every day. And I think it's because I knew how many towels I had. So I had a little bit over a week's worth of nice towels. So, you know, I could go like a week and a half without having to do any laundry, which with being able to shower every day, because at that point I worked out every day, so I definitely showered every day. Showering every day and still having a new towel to dry off with after the shower. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do that, and that's gonna have to be at nighttime, which is probably gonna be at the one that's in the hometown, which it's newer. It's honestly, it looks like a modern ranch style house, and I say that because it has like board and batten design architecture. It's like white and black. It's like a modern farmhouse in my opinion. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that in town, which, yeah, I could have did this in town too, but like I said, I just didn't want to run into nobody. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It's gonna be really quick. I wish I could have talked all in there, kind of explained some things. I'm gonna go into more detail on my night video whenever that does come out. Just probably gonna do that tomorrow or the next day, because we're literally running out of time, so I got no choice but to do it. And I don't know when that new dryer is gonna get dropped off, and I'm assuming it's gonna be next week sometime when it arrives, because it looks like they're gonna have to build it, because it's got a certain color on it, and it seems like they don't have any in stock anywhere. And it's not that fancy of a dryer. I've seen fancier dryers. Like, it's a nice one. It's a GE. I'll go over like the delivery of that too, because then the washer's gonna have to get purchased too. So anyway, guys, hope you guys liked this video. It's a quick video. I'll take you guys to the laundromat with me. I didn't quite do that much. I ended up getting on the phone with my brother, talking to him and everything. So we'll go in more detail about what happened to the dryer in the next video, because it'll be at night. I'll be able to kind of have hopefully the camera propped up without infringing on other people's like privacy. And that's my thing with like filming in public. It's just, I don't want to put somebody accidentally on camera, or I'm still got the apprehensive because I'm like filming in public causes some anxiety. It's by itself, because you got people looking at you, but at the same time I don't want anybody feeling like, oh, he's filming me, which I ain't filming no motherfucking body. Ain't nobody worth filming in my life. Like, I don't, besides like my cat, my nieces, my nephews, like our family, but even then they know what's up when I'm doing it. But like a stranger, that shit, bitch, I ain't got no reason to film somebody. Ain't nobody that fine, ain't nobody that motherfucking special to me, where I need to waste my motherfucking film, my SD card space. Where is this? Anyway, back to the hometown. Like I said, it wasn't that far of a drive. Pretty much just up the street, up the highway, whatever you want to call it. So I'll get back with you guys in the next video, which will be the night laundromat video. So until then, guys, take it easy, stay safe, and stay positive. And like I always say, keep moving forward. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take it easy.